So having just finished the bad boy, I wouldn't mind doing another motorcycle. So similar to how I did 1 to 12, 1 to 20, 1 to 24 on the Yamaha, I also have Kawai and Suni kits for Harleys. Now, while this one says American bike, I was out on ScaleMates and looking at Harleys, and lo and behold, what shows up but this. And as you can see, it's the same kit, and I thought so as I was looking at this. And I also thought, why would they put all the names on the other boxes? Maybe they had some sort of copyright issue or something until later, or vice versa. But yeah, that box art was out on ScaleMates under the Harley. So that's a Harley, and I think I'm going to do this one next. Has this cushion back here. Now the kit doesn't provide one, so what I did is just, out of sheet styrene, I fashioned one, and I actually wasn't satisfied with that. So what I did is took some more strips, you can see them there, and I'm trying to simulate this seat pattern there. Lay the strips down on top of there, and I'll glue them to there, and then that'll come up behind it. So yeah, having some fun doing a little bit of scratch building on this thing. I'm working on these two parts and then checking my references, I noticed that actually on all of these, similar to the bad boy, the turn indicator is on the handlebars. So I took those off there, put them up there, sanded that down, cleaned that up. Seen in previous videos, I like to use stripe decal. So on these wheels, they're black inside with a chrome rim, and then this chrome or silver line that runs down. And then also going across the front here, there's this black stripe. What I did for those wheels is I used the silver stripe decal, the thinnest one I had there. Finished one side. You can see that's not that bad. It's kind of the best I can do, because trying to do it with a silver pen, I mean, forget it. It's not going to look clean and straight. There's a stripe down the center of both fenders. Used black stripe decal for that, at least on the front fender, and then masked the rear fender. So I kind of simulated this with black stripe decal. And then they're usually lined on the outside with another color, and for that I'm going to use the gold stripe decal because I have this decal left over from the Virago that I'm going to try to work on the tank. Obviously it'll be smaller, but use that in combination with this gold stripe decal. Another scratch building opportunity I picked up on are these support brackets for the front fender. So I just found the appropriate size wire and put those on. In that same area, this reflector, and there's actually one in the back as well. So I have yellow stripe decal, and I don't think my red stripe decal is wide enough. This is all I have left. So I found, went through the spares, I think, you know, a section out of here will suffice. So. There she is on the shelf with her big brother, and in the what I'm calling the motorcycle section. And yeah, once again, that was a lot of fun. Few things I like: the ads of the seat in the back and the bracket here, but when I put those turn indicators on, I forgot the rake of the handlebars, and they're kind of pointing up a little bit. And I think this engine should be further up, but that's the only way I could get things to fit. You know, these kits they're not perfect, but for a little kit, that makes a heck of a replica. So yeah, that was a lot of fun, and another motorcycle in the books. So hope you found that interesting, and as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.